Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable spatial audio for your headphones Philips. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Right here click the settings icon near to your headphones at the device list. And here it is, spatial audio. But you cannot find it at your Apple device. If you have your iPhone, you cannot find it in the settings at least. And also not all Android phones have this feature in the settings, so you may have it also. Now, to enable it, you need to click at the slider near to it, if the slider have empty background. And we just did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!